I got a 2000. It should be from 2000, I believe, from 14. Hold on, from I believe 11 to 20. It's this model, specific model is 2011, and we're gonna be installing the Android Apple CarPlay Android system. Most people call it Tesla screen. So I'm gonna let my brother-in-law, he's new to this, and the way he pull, he can break some stuff. So what you don't want to do is pull it like that. You don't grab them and pull it that much. You want to start pulling about this much and keep going. If you pull like that, you're gonna end up breaking this piece right there. So that was not the way to do it. So now you're gonna have to take 4 Phillips out. Right, remember he's new to this, so that's one thing you don't want to do. You don't want to drop the screw in there. Sometimes it's gonna fall right in there. That's not a good idea. So next, what you usually do, most likely you want to get something with a magnet. I'll grab it. So we usually put a magnet around here, or put your finger right there so it don't fall off. So once you get that out, you pull it straight out, grab both of your hands and shake it left and right, left and right, left, right, left, right, move it. Yep. And easy, because the wire is in the back. Now you got that out. What you want to do right there, there's a clip on the bottom. You push this clip and pull it. And same as this antenna, there's a clip on the back right there. Push it. Push and pull. Shake, pull. No, push. So he didn't get a right pushing. So when you push the clip. No, push the other way. This way right there. Yep, push that and then pull. See, it's how easy it is. So this one same way, push and pull. See, once you get the hang of it, it's easy. So now, we got antenna right here, we got the radio, we got the if they're gonna hook up like an amplifier, anything, you need to hook this up. And then this is for the backup camera we ran already. We got this 2 output right there. Oh, where's the blood come from? I wonder if that's blood or something. I know it's not my blood. Well, I haven't touched anything yet, so can't be me. Okay. We're gonna run the 2 USB for the charger and for the Android CarPlay, so he can reach that from there, from that side, put it to me, and then I can grab it, or I can use a grabber. You can get this from AutoZone. This is what it look like. Yep. So reach it through here, and he should be able to see it. No, right here. Reach it to you. Right there. Look. You can take this all the way out, or you don't have to, but I don't like to take it all out because they got a bunch of stuff right there. So now basically I'm gonna just plug this jack in. It should be plug and play. Make sure this is right there like that. The clip is on the top. I had a customer one time came in with the plug is not right. He plugged on the wrong side. I mean, it went in, but it's on the wrong side. Well, there's cameras on the back right there. That's for the backup camera. And then you got this 2 right there, and then this one, some of them doesn't have it, this one. So you got the jack over there, and then you got the main plug. Plug the main right here. And then what I'm gonna need to do with this model, I'm gonna need to grab the reverse wire. That's an amp turn on. Oh, here it is. This is for the CAN bus. So I'm gonna plug the CAN bus right there. This is important right there. If you don't have this, the radio will not come on. And where's my reverse wire? I'm gonna look for a reverse wire real quick. It should be that pink. I take the red wire and tap it to the brown wire. The brown wire will stay right next to the red wire. That's the backup camera. So that's gonna send a signal back to the camera for it to work. Get into this single plug right here for the backup camera, and then I'm gonna plug this piece back and then plug this to USB, and then put the factory harness back plug. Now I'm gonna plug the antenna, the GPS antenna. The main power harness and then plug it to the original one. They got two different types, the older version and the newer version. The older version is, I think it's 2000 below, I believe. So after everything's plugged, it will tell you the doors open, which door is open. That's what good thing about the CAN bus, it tell you on the screen. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just push it in and snap it on and call the customer. Here are the features. As you can see right here, if you put on reverse, there you go, nice reverse. I think I need to, I'm uphill, so camera's a little bit down. I'm gonna flip it up a little bit. So yes, showing the reverse.